Well, here we are on a semi-sunny day. It's a little overcast. I wanted to talk to you about something. This is a seed, of course. A seed is what starts a new plant growing. This is one end of the seed, a small end, and this is the other end, the big end. And what happens is this seed is inside a shell. So we need to soak open the shell so that the plant can grow out into the soil or water into the seed can get roots down to grow into a beautiful fruit tree. So you could put it in real loose soil, potting soil, and water it quite a bit, or you could soak it in water until you see it starting to crack open, and then put it in a dirt potting soil planter, or you could start it in water and then transplant it. But somehow this outside shell has to open. So when you're eating your fruit, this is from a nectarine or peach, save all your seeds and start planting them. Put them in pots or glass jars and start sprouting your seeds and make some really nice fruit trees for your own house. And it should work okay. Now, if you're not bearing fruit, you need to get some plant food and put it in the soil and water it, or mix it with water and put it in. It's a green box that said plant food for fruits and vegetables. Then the plant will make fruit for you or vegetables, because without it, it won't work. I grew a Italian tomato plant, and that thing grew up really high, like 7 feet high. It was taller than me. Leaves out here. But there was no tomatoes. And my mom, she grows so many tomatoes. I was sad. I thought, I just don't have a green thumb, right? For some reason, my tomatoes aren't working. But I didn't know that I needed to put plant food on there for these particular tomatoes to grow. Now, I never saw my mom put plant food on the tomato plants that she used. She had the big beefsteak and the cherry tomatoes. It could be the ones that she had bought were already started, had plant food put in. And so when she bought the trays of little plants this high, it took them home, it already had planting food in it, mixed in with the soil or something. But I don't know for sure. I just knew mine wasn't working. So I was sad. So now I found out I should have had plant food. It comes in a square box. You go to a gardening store. They'll tell you how to do it and they'll tell you why. You should be fine. But you might as well save these seeds and grow some of your own fruit. At least try and see what happens. Have a good day.